Alright, I'm going to make a video to maybe help you understand what I'm seeing on my side. So right now I'm tied into 3 of the pins on the J3 connector on the PCI that is outputting 5 volt reference to sensor supply circuit 2, which will encompass the delta pressure sensor, before turbine pressure, and after BPV pressure sensor. So I'm on pin 58, 59, and 61 of J3 right now. Now that is what the PCI is outputting. So I've tested this on a known good truck and I get 5 volts out of the PCI. So it doesn't matter if I'm on 61, 59, or 58, I always get an oddball voltage coming out of the PCI. So on J2, I've checked and load tested the ignition on pin 1 and 6. That carries a 7 amp load, no problem. I also checked powers on 61, 60, and 62. I can carry a 7 amp load on that as well, not a problem. I also did a resistance check from the ground here on, I think it's pin 7, 57, 58, 59 to ground. I can carry a tone through a multimeter, no problem. I used that, the negative, to carry a load for the power to J2 as well. That holds the load fine. So for me, I don't see a problem with my ignition on 1 and 6, my battery source voltage to J2, or my negatives to J2. The only thing I see as a problem is what the PCI is outputting for voltage. So with you here with me, I'm going to disengage all the pins, re-engage J3, and I'll disconnect the delta pressure sensor with you here, and we'll check source voltage. Just gonna bear with me here for a second.
No fun?
Yeah, I'm just making a video for engineering. Okay. So, bear with me here for a second. Come on now. Oh, I should have brought a pick. 90-degree pick with this one. Fine, mint. Alright, cool. Sorry guys, just bear with me for a second here. So pin 1 on our delta pressure sensor should be supply. So I'm going to lift my meter up here. And sorry about the camera work. So pin 1 should be right here. That's the same voltage I'm seeing at the ECM. So right now I don't understand why the ECM is outputting 5 volt reference voltage at 1.4 to 1.8 volts. I tried hanging a test ECM or PCI off another known good EPA 17, a sister to the same chassis, and the outputting voltage is the same. I tried testing the source voltage coming out of 58, 59, and 61 on J3, and it's 5 volts. So hopefully I haven't confused you too much with this video. Thank you.